Today we are going to see about amazing Earth facts. Our solar system has 8 planets. Rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Plus ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. We live on a beautiful and fascinating planet. There's so much to find out about Earth's wonders. Earth's name comes from the Middle English word called Eartha, meaning ground. Earth was created around 4.5 billion years ago. A billion is 1,000 times a million, so Earth is incredibly old. Young Earth was a ball of hot liquid rock. Heavy metals sank to the center, lighter materials rose to the surface and slowly cooled to form a crust. Earth had no atmosphere to protect it. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere acts like a shield and protects us from harmful rays from space. Now I'm going to show you how Earth was formed. Materials required: rocks, sticks, a bowl, a glass of water. So I'm going to pour this glass of water into the bowl. Suppose this was Earth. So this is my heavier material. If I put it, it just sinks. Now I'm going to put my lighter materials, the sticks. See the difference? The heavy metals sank to the center and the lighter metals rose to the surface. This is how Earth would have formed. Volcanoes all over Earth spouted ash, steam, red-hot lava. Gas and steam formed Earth's first atmosphere. Steam from the clouds came rain. Eventually, the rain made the oceans. Now we're going to do a fun experiment. Making your own volcano at home. Materials required: soap liquid, vinegar, a birthday cap, a water bottle, bicarb soda, colored powder. Today, I am going to use saffron colored powder. So here we go. Put the birthday cap on top and then take the vinegar and pour it into the bottle. And then take the soap liquid, pour it into the bottle. Make a bubbly spurt. Take the color powder and then to make the explosion, take the bicarb soda and put it in. You may see the volcano explode. Now look at the explosion! For the first few 100 million years, there was no life on Earth. Then life really got going. Life probably appeared in the oceans. The first thing to appear was tiny bacteria. What does bacteria mean? Bacteria means little germs which we can't see with our eyes. We need a microscope to view that. Then plants began to grow. Fish crawled into land and dinosaurs got into existence. The first mammals appeared. Whack! A massive rock struck Earth. Fires raged and a huge dust cloud hid the sun. Dinosaurs died, but mammals lived on. That's all for today. We will continue with Earth facts next week. Stay